Someone asked me, my husband and I fight so much. What can I do about this? Today I'm telling you what I told her in case this is something you could use for your own relationship. 3 ways to turn a fight into connection. Believe it or not, a fight can turn into something that connects you if you know how. So the first point I want to make is slow the conversation down. What many couples don't realize is they can fall into what I call relationship survival mode. And that's a place where you're walking on eggshells, you're trying not to upset anything, and you're trying very hard to not shut down. Or maybe you've already shut down. It's like the relationship becomes something you're just trying to survive. And that makes us come into a fight armed, guns blazing. So what I'm trying very hard to do here for you is to, let's not go there. Let's go somewhere else that is actually good for your relationship. How do you do this? This might be you saying, let's just slow this down. I want to make sure I'm hearing you. Bonus, ask your partner to say it a different way, not because you can't absorb it, but this gives you a different dimension to what they're trying to convey to you. And it has a way of lowering the temperature, which you want. My second tip is the goal is to understand, not win. Approach the conversation with curiosity and interest. This may be hard if you are feeling maybe a little bit, you want to protect yourself, maybe you're a little bit angry and you've got these defenses up. But change your approach, I gotta win, to I want to get to know what is really happening on the other side of this conversation. This is exactly, by the way, what you want your partner to be doing for you. So this is you starting it. Curiosity shifts the energy from enemies to partners. The third point I want to make is look for common ground. I consider this sort of the bridge building between two. And it might be something like saying, I know we want a solution here. I know we could figure this out. Or let's find a point where we do agree. Worded differently, surely we agree somewhere here. Let's talk about that. The act of finding common ground changes the tone completely. I've compiled 80 things to say to reconnect in your relationship. The link is in your description below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.